Hi there, and welcome to Miro. My name is Charles and I'm one of the product managers here, and today I'm going to be introducing one of the world's fastest LTE Advanced routers, the Huawei B618. So, taking a look at the Huawei B618, this is actually a very easy device to configure. You pretty much just need a power up and you're ready to go. This specific unit supports both Cat9 and Cat11 LTE Advanced, which is actually not yet available in South Africa, but that means that once our networks support that, you'll be able to see download speeds of up to 600 megabits per second. The device supports up to a maximum of 64 users, and lastly, it must be noted that this is actually a dual band Wi-Fi router, so it operates using the 802.11ac protocol, which means that you can enjoy both the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands. So jumping right in, let's open the device. So you've got your startup manual, your actual device, and then the extra goodies over here. Move the box to the side. So in this box you'll have your power supply and your main connection cable, which will connect to your LAN port. It's got the RJ45 connectors there. So moving the other side, let's take a look at the main unit itself. So aesthetically, this is actually a very good looking unit. Over in the front here, you've got your various LEDs, your WPS button. At the back, a very important thing to note is that you have these ports over here. This is a TS9 port, which means that using a TS9 to SMA female adapter, you're actually able to connect this LTE router to external antennas, which means that you can get improved coverage. You've got your power button, a USB, and then two LAN ports, one of which doubles as a WAN port, which means that you can connect to a fiber connection in the future. Lastly, you've got your RJ11 port, which allows you to connect to voice over LTE and voice over IP, use it for that type of application. And then lastly, your power port. So all in all, it really is a neat device that Miro is now selling. We're very happy to be doing so. And it's definitely one of the most popular ones in the market, even though it hasn't been around for as long as models such as the B315. But do click on the link in the comments, and we hope to hear from you.